after implementing this, or in the course of implementation, I've had to grapple with the fear of failure. However, I think it is important that one conducts a feasibility study and plans carefully, because this can greatly minimize the risks involved. Let me then just give you a background of the Directorate of ICT at Moi University. This directorate was founded in 1998, and in line with the university's revised strategic plan, it is vested with the responsibility of providing efficient and effective services to the university community. This is on issues touching processing and storage of information, as well as communication. The center performs a number of duties. This includes database management, end-user training, support, consultancy. We have the systems installation and also configuration. We also do maintenance services. We develop software. We also assist the university when it comes to maintenance of the website and all other internet-related services. The Directorate has supervised a number of projects since inception. Notable are the fiber optic backbone that links various buildings within campuses. In fact, including Chepkoilel, when they were under Moi University. Again, this, in this we collaborated with KENET. We collaborated with KENET to provide connectivity, inter-campus connectivity, and this is normally via high-capacity carrier class radios. Now, due to the bandwidth upgrade, the Directorate has also set up hotspots at the main library in the main campus, School of Engineering, the main administration building, as well as also the School of Law. That is a campus closer to town. And in addition to that, to the KENET collaboration, we have partnered with Safaricom to also develop a virtual private network. This is for purposes of linking us. In colleges whereby we do not have KENET, easy access. We are talking about Tale, Rombo, Garissa, etc. Okay? Now let me just talk about ERP'S in brief. Now an ERP is a software solution that facilitates company-wide integrated information systems, and it performs core corporate activities, increasing customer service and augmenting corporate image. What I would like to say about ERPs is that there is no magic bullet, and it is necessary therefore to be practical and procedural when implementing the software. What are the key steps? As you can see, we have quite a number. We need to define the infrastructure, select your vendor, initiate a project management framework, construct an implementation schedule, appoint a development team, and also supporting personnel. You need to manage the implementation itself. Here is, in a case whereby you are maybe adopting the modular solution, you have to test the system, train the staff, and also appoint maintenance personnel. Again, at the end of it, you must conduct a review. What are the benefits? There are various, as you can see. Real-time information, better visibility, data standardization, and then again, we adopt best practices. Again, we create efficiencies within the organization, and again, it also allows for analysis and reporting for long-term planning. Challenges, we have a selection problem. How do we select the ERP to implement? There are also technical issues. Who do we involve in the various teams? There are data quality issues and security. Then business philosophy changes. Again, there are also philosophical issues, as we will see later on. So, open source. I'd like just to mention a little bit about this, and perhaps argue our case as to why we picked on open source as well as proprietary in the various instances. Now, open source, of course, is software developed in a public collaborative manner. And because it is designed that way, it allows modifications. Again, there is source code availability. Now, this sometimes raises security issues. There are those who argue that because it is available to many, then issues to do with security can be handled well in advance. There are those that also see it the opposite, that because it's available to many, security issues are an issue. Of course, I mean a big issue. And then again, it is argued that the time to maybe make corrections and update is much less compared to the proprietary software. There is no vendor control. And again, community support is available. When it comes to proprietary software, this is licensed under exclusive legal rights.
Dr. Muumbo, you have 2 minutes now. Could you just narrow down to experiences, challenges, and lessons you have learned in proprietary?
Now, information systems that we have developed or customized at Moi University, as you can see, these are just a few. We have a financial management information system, evaluation of instruction and course system, online graduation registration system, e-Senate portal, alumni portal, human resource management system, student registration management system, and automated library system. Now, on the financial management information system, this is, of course, a proprietary software, say iPad, and it enables us to manage our finance, procurement, and supply issues. The advantages are the scalability, availability. It can be implemented modular-wise, and it's easy to use. Again, it is database independent. We have reporting tools, and again, it can operate in a multi-user environment. Those are the number of modules that we are currently implementing. There are 18 in total. And then again, we have an e-learning portal, which is based on the Chisimba framework. This is a way to enable rapid application development suite. That is just a capture of the e-learning portal that we are currently using. Again, we have a human resource information system. It's PHP based, and there are quite a number of modules, as you can see. Personal information manager, there is an administrative module, recruitment, employee self-service, reports, leave, time and attendance, as well as benefits module. We have a library information system. This is a fully web-based, ISIS-based system, and it uses PHP and ISIS script. We've also implemented DSpace, which is a repository originally developed by Hewlett-Packard and Massachusetts Institute of Technology. Then the Student Management Information System. This is in process. And there are quite a number of portals which we are developing. Student portal, schools, course, academic management, as well as administration. Now, what are the advantages? We are able to build and maintain knowledge. We are able to lower maintenance costs, implementation costs, as well as development costs. What are the challenges? I looked at them from two perspectives. We have the corporate level. We need to articulate policy well in advance. You need to establish your need. You need to carry out a SWOT analysis of your systems as well as human resource capacity. We need to know how to manage change. There are issues to do with integration as well as coordination, especially for Moi University, now that we are spread across the country. There are budgetary issues. And then again, decentralization. This, of course, is looked in the perspective of connectivity. And then there are institutional politics and vested interests. Okay? There are personality issues. I call this the Nazareth syndrome. Somebody argues, can anything good come out of so and so? And then, of course, you must then show practically that it is possible. There are training costs, and then, of course, we need to remunerate our staff. Well, on the technical level is a choice of the program, programming languages to use, the size of the task versus the time allowed, skills, upgrading. There is need every time because technology changes. So we need to upgrade the skills of our technical staff, the programmers. Then we have to set aside staff to concentrate on this issue of development of software. There are connectivity issues, as I mentioned. Again, we have experienced power cuts. Then, it's important that you always have a plan B. If you don't, look for a place. That's where to go. Conclusion. ERPs are an essential infrastructure, as you have seen. They increase the level of integration to support core business processes. And then they provide real-time data facilities. We also find that when we implement these, we improve our decision making, we improve our integration and standardization. There are complexity issues, but I think with proper planning, these can be sorted out. Again, it's important that we determine the ERP implementation costs and set goals and objectives. Lastly, we have to handle that resistance to change because this can lead to failure. So as we work, we must carry management and staff along. Thank you very much.